In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your QuickBooks online with your accountant. Whether you're a small business owner trying to keep track of finances, or simply someone who needs to collaborate with an accountant, knowing how to give access to your financial data in QuickBooks Online can make the process smooth and efficient. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already familiar with QuickBooks, this should be a breeze, but for those of you who might be new to the platform, don't worry, it's all pretty straightforward. Now, it's time to type in your email and password. These are the credentials that you set up when you created your QuickBooks account, so enter them carefully. If you happen to forget your password, there's always the option to reset it, but hopefully you'll have no trouble logging in. Once you're logged in, QuickBooks might ask you to verify your identity. This is a security step just to make sure it's really you accessing the account. You might be prompted to choose a method of verification, whether it's a text message, an email, or perhaps another option like an authenticator app. Just follow the instructions given and you'll be verified in no time. Next, you'll need to navigate to the My Accountant section within QuickBooks. This is where you'll be sharing access. If you're not sure where to find it, there's usually a menu on the left side of your QuickBooks dashboard. Click on My Accountant, and this will bring you to the relevant page. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a field labeled for entering your accountant's email address. You'll want to have that information handy, so go ahead and type it in carefully. Double check it to make sure there are no typos, because this is how your accountant will receive the invitation. Once you've entered the correct email address, you're almost there. Look for the invite button. It's usually bright and noticeable, and click on it. That's it, you've now sent an invitation to your accountant, allowing them to access your QuickBooks Online account. Before you wrap up, it's a good idea to notify your accountant that you've sent them an invite. They'll be expecting it and can confirm once they're set up on their end. Sometimes an invitation email might end up in a spam or junk folder, so it's always a good precaution to let them know it's on its way. And there you have it, you've successfully shared your QuickBooks Online with your accountant, making your financial collaboration hassle-free. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.